Ke ka lepele ka go kopa tshwarelo ba heso ka pherekano ena e bileng teng ena kore go na le ntho tse ka buang o leka ho etsa something valuable le gore jwale batho ba fihla ba odisitha ba fela. Anyway, ha re tswele pele ka this live workshop ya gore na re etsa pina jwang. Ntho ya pele o tlamehang o etse ha o etsa instrumental ka flute loops ke ya go set tempo ya pele o tlameha wena pele o ka kena ka hare ho se fela sa hao o se ntse o tseba hore na se fela se ke batla hore se tla ga se bina ka sekgahla se se kae. Jwale so o itse project ya rona ke FL Studio. It is now live, so I'm going to grab my piano, close grand piano. Ke yone ke sebedisang hangata. I use grand piano hangata when I am creating music, as you can see. Anyway, jwale ntho e tsalang ke ya hore sometimes when o etsa music o tlameha set tempo ke yone ya pele o shebe time signature sa ga bontshitse gore time signature re sebedisa 4/4 beat la ile hore ke 3/4 ke 3 parts measure. So I will be re sheba key ya se fela, that's key me E, which is key E. So C, D, E, D, do, re, mi, fa. Yeah, so I'm going to set the tempo. I'm going to reduce it to somewhere like ta 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 ta. Yeah, I think it's okay. So now we go to piano roll. The first notes in the soprano we have, that's a half. Do, re, do, re, mi. Do, re, mi, so now we are creating music. We are now creating music. Just ka sote la o ka taba ya accent ya ka kapa ya ntse di fusa ke 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 sheba kanke. Anyway, we are now on la. So that's the first melody of soprano. Now I'm going to write the alto notes. So o ka etsahala gore ha o ntse o shebeletse video ena ebe o bona ho ntse ho hlaha di-product tse ntseng di hlaha ka mono. It's because this live stream has been sponsored ka piano eno ntse hlaha mono. So ha o e reka tla bo bolela hore o nthusa hore channel ena e hole. Now we are done with the alto part. We are moving to tenor. Why is tenor? Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, fa, so, mi, fa, so. Now, it's now getting there. It's now getting where I want it. Now we are here. Fa, now let's measure the pitch. Okay, it's correct. It's correct. Now let me write the bass line melody. So we are getting there, good people. So I guess even now when I Difela to the batang, I some foot of film. But as for me, let me correct 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Those are 8 in number. When you are trying to interpret this whole instrumental, you can reduce the tempo here. Let me do it. I think I like this tempo. Anyway, we are going to keep this tempo. Now I'm going to paste this here. That's pattern number 1. We are now we are building pattern 2, which is going to be na haraba esabedi na gibone jwa. So we are going to create it. Okay, even the second melody line, the second melodic line is still the same. So I'm just going to copy this one and paste it here. Okay. Something is wrong here. No. The soprano, the last 2 notes, it's like they are different. Let me do it. I'm just going to paste them here. Let's check the melodic line for soprano on the second 16. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, okay, there's a sustain here. We are sustaining. Yeah. We are sustaining. Now we are moving on to pattern 3, which is going to be here. Let's go to piano roll. Rekala mona. Rekala nam. Okay. Okay, now we got it. Okay. Now we move on to alto part. The alto part. That's do 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 fa Now we are adding the tenor part, the tenor nose. All right. So now let's hear how the hymn is like at the moment. Let me switch the metronome off. let's keep the metronome on. Let's finish with the bass line. Do, do, fa, 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 do, do. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now we are adding the last system, the last melodic system of hymn 315, which goes like Dotila, Dotila. Oh, we have to move up again. Let's start. Okay. Now, since this is I hope you are enjoying this this live workshop. Comment below, please comment below. Now, what do you think? What do you think about this whole entire project that we are doing with you live? Anyway, we are live from Ghana. Ghana, really. It is just I'm actually in my room near my bed here. So let's go. Ooh, what is that? Ooh. Okay, I got them. You are really excited. You're first so you go off pitch or no man. Something is wrong here. Anyway, let me do this. Now we are adding the tenor part. Mi fa. Let me add it. So that's in the line ba house mo gona Difela tsena di ditse ba bone nnelo wena o se tseng go fela wena o iqalle ha ona motho a tlo tla o phasa o se be dintho tsena motho mo le o wa ipona le nna ke tla tseba dintho tse kang tsena nnelo ba le ke ka batla o sa batle you will never know anything. You gotta seek o go tlo fumane seng. Anyway, good people. Keep get out while my mobile hotspot. Get out. Anyway, let's continue the project. You have got to do something. But if you don't start something, you will never know anything. If you don't know so what if they laugh? I want to help one. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Doesn't matter if they love you, they laugh at you. So as long as you are providing value, that's what matters. So let's hear how the hymn sounds. Now we have added the tenor part. Now we are going to add the bass line one. I sing bass. What is it bass or baritone? I don't know. Anyway, I'm not good with singing. One I generally quiet anyway, but I can do what I can do. How do you sing? Maybe even better than Baba, but it doesn't matter. We are doing a live workshop of how to transcribe a written music into an audio. Okay. So do do fa do do fa so do. Okay, it's getting there. Fa do do fa so do. Now let's join the entire song. Let me go to this song. Okay, now we have come to an end of the first piano melody. Anyway, where's the one about you rotate your phone while watching this live stream, because I'm recording with the phone, not a camera. So it has to be rotated into a landscape, not the portrait. Now I'm going to add the strings, orchestral ones. Let me add this one. Oh, I like this one. But it's a little bit too loud. I think I will have to change it now. Let me go to this one. Now I am only copying and pasting. Anyway, I didn't know all this in 1 year. It took me years. I started making music in around 2017. So don't be intimidated by whatever I'm doing here while perusing through all these software. So if you have interest, I can show you. Now, I'm going to sing along with it. Bizan. Anyway, I've shown you the complete project. We just created this from the start. Now, what we are left with is trying to master this whole entire song. So, I'm going to add it here so that it can be mastered. So that we can be able to control how loud certain instrument sounds. Yeah, I don't worry, you know, some or my kids are general. Is a master. Not the entire process. Mastering takes a lot of work. We have to do together, but now we are going to reduce the amount of this so that we hear more piano. Yes, I like it. Like this, I like it like this. I love it. So now I'm going to it's quite a short to do this. Now I'm going to use the amount. Now I'm going to add a prelude here. I think I will take this one to be the prelude. Let me copy this entire project. Number 4. It's a little bit off. Let me go try to contact it so that I can hear if the bass pattern are on the right time. Oh, it's supposed to be here. It's supposed to be here. So now that we have completed this song, we can be able to export it. If I wanted to add more instrumentals, I would come here, then maybe drag or I can even add something like a soprano. You hear that sound? Let me add it here. Let me add pattern one here so that I can hear how it might sound if I were to add this one to pattern 9. Okay. I think I will have to skip this one. I'll have to pass on this one. Anyway, I will do it some other time. Difela sa sione 315 a ke le tje ke le ha ke le tje ke le mobe hangata ebile o tlo fumana gore di-conductora di fosa. I never went to music school, empa o tlo fumana gore hangata ha re interpreta difela tsa rona re siya di-comma tsena tse ngotswe ha ke le tje comma ke le mobe ha re se bina mana re a fosa. We don't add the commas ha re di bontshe wa motho o bina fela o bina noto fela ha ke le tje so what the hell are you doing? So ntho e tlhokang gore ka sebina o interprete le nna o shebe kgomo ga o phethile sefela sa gago ke le ke o bina le sona mo o nang le kgoma e sa kgoma It's our need about whenever you are trying to interpret music. Go le ke go go kenye matshwao a teng ka go se fela o ska bina fela tjena. Anyway, ke le ba ye mo le mo yeno o ila joina this live stream. Ke a tseba gore le nkile nako ya lona go le ne le shebelle. Anyway, ke a tshepa gore wena you have learned something while watching this live stream. Until next time, bye bye. Yeah.